Reading through the syllabus for a course can answer a lot of questions, but of course you should feel free to contact me with any you may still have. Another popular question though is simply about how to navigate the course and how to find what you should be working on week to week. What I have, or what I would encourage you to do, is to ignore the to-do list that you see over here on the right, because if you only click through those, you're going to miss some vital information that teaches you the content that you need to know in order to complete those assignments. Instead, what I would encourage you to do is follow the links that I have on the home page. The orientation link for that module, hopefully you're already working through that and plan to continue reading through the rest of that information, since that's where you found this video. Afterwards, you could go ahead and go on to Module 1, where the due dates are provided here, so all Module 1 assignments will be due Tuesday, January 19th. As subsequent modules open up, additional links will populate here to help you navigate quickly to those different pages. Clicking on that Module 1 Limits tab will bring us to an overview page, just highlighting everything that's contained in Module 1 that we need to work on. There are individual links here so that as you come back and have already worked through, you can skip through a little bit faster. But we can use the next buttons just to click through and go page by page. What we'll generally see is information that's provided to help you learn and understand the concepts you need for an assignment. There's no reading for this first module subsection, but there would be a link for the e-text, and then any related lecture videos are provided. Clicking next will then take us to the homework assignment for Module 1.1, where now what we're working in is My Open Math, which is embedded in Canvas. It's going to reiterate that due date. It's also going to give you the opportunity to redeem a late pass. So if you don't complete this assignment by that due date, keep in mind you can come back and work that, but a 10% penalty will be applied. But if you're ready to go ahead and dive in and start working, you can click Start, which will open up those assignments, and you can start navigating through those different questions, entering your answers, submitting and checking those as you go. With homework, keep in mind you can work problems as many times as you need to get those correct. So if you get a question wrong, just keep trying. It will reload a new question eventually and let you keep attacking those problems until you get them finished. Once you're done with that homework assignment, you can click Next to move on to Module 1.2, where now we'll see a reading that's associated with this material. There's going to be a link to print some lecture notes that accompany the videos that I've created for you. You're not required to download these and print these off, but if that's helpful for you, please feel free to do so. So now you'll have another set of videos to watch, and then you'll click through until you get to that next homework assignment, which right now is locked until January 11th. So if we keep clicking ahead, we'll get to our practice quiz. So the practice quiz is there just to help you review and prepare for the actual quiz. You can take this an unlimited number of times, but you do have to complete it from beginning to end before you see what you got right and what you missed. So essentially it's mirroring what the actual quiz will look like. You can certainly feel free to contact me, ask me questions about problems that you missed while attempting this assignment. And then once you're ready, move on to the actual quiz itself, which will open up on January 11th. After that, the Module 1 discussion you'll want to move on to, which actually I still have blocked right now. But there will be a discussion post with a couple of different activities for you to complete by the end of our Week 1 assignments. Heading back to the home page, again, what we'll see is once Module 2 opens, another link pop up here, which will then provide you with those videos, textbook readings, homework assignments, quizzes, and if there is a discussion assignment that week, that discussion assignment. So we'll just continue to follow that same pattern of navigating through the course and completing those same types of assignments. When we hit exam week, things will shift just a little bit, but we'll provide some more information about that once we get there. If you have questions about how to navigate anything, how to find content in the course that you should be working on, let me know. If you have questions about the actual course content, the math that we're learning, absolutely get in touch with me. Again, email will be the best way to do that, and you can always expect a reply within at least 24 hours, if not sooner. Good luck and have a great semester.